Okay, time for the demolding. This was just the leftover. I had way too much for these, but I wanted to have extra for these little foam grip things, so here it is. So just sparkly. I'll probably do silver edges. If I do, I'll post it at the end of the video. I haven't done square ones yet, so these are my first square coasters. This is a cell phone holder. So this is the base. First one of these as well. And a little starfish. They were floating up to the top, so yeah, you don't see them on the other side. So really it could go either way, depending on how someone preferred it. Well, you obviously pour this one thinner than this one, and by the looks of it, it's a bit thicker. So I'm going to have to sand down. Yeah, my resin is domed. So you can see it's kind of domed at the top, so it's too thick to go through. So I'm going to have to sand it. But it's a cool idea, right? And then these little round areas are where the cords can go through if they're charging your phone or whatever. So I'll fix it and show you the end result. And these are from another video. Okay, I resolved the issue with the stand. What I did was I just sanded it down with my Dremel, so it's not beautiful, but that's the bottom side anyway. And then I'm gonna lay this flat to let it cure properly. The front side is really glittery. The back side has the shells, starfish, so you can either put it with the starfish side out, and I kind of like the sparkly side myself. So that goes through there, and then you just prop your phone there, and it has a little alcove for the cord. You can also turn it that way. So that was a really cool item that I enjoyed making. Just gotta make sure and lay those flat and let them dry hard, nice and flat. These were the square coasters. This is the back side, this is the front side. So I did the chrome edges and did a little rim around the top. And that was with the liquid chrome Molotow paint pen, which I love. I love these. And these are the PopSockets. I got those somewhere. If I found them on Amazon, I'll put the link below the video. And I actually got these from CounterCulture. This little mold that has the little 4 openings in it. So I attached it with resin earlier, which was kind of messy. So I would probably recommend E6000, and I couldn't find it where I was at the store. I got Gorilla Super Glue, which is clear, and so they're glued nice and tight. And then obviously with the PopSockets you can, you know, extend them as much as you want. So those are really nice and sparkly. So I'm pleased with the outcome of this. At first I was afraid that this wasn't going to work, but my advice on this would be on the base piece, pour it thinner so that you're assured that it will go through the slot right here. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.